Hey guys, Andy here. Now, regular viewers will know that I'm not much of a case fan. I do get cases, I like to have them available to me just in case I might need them, but I don't like the extra bulk that it adds to the device. On the other hand, with a glass phone, as you might have seen when I borrowed that Sony XZ2, they can scratch quite easily. So I want some kind of protection. And in this case, we're looking at a dbrand skin. So I've gone with a black camo, funnily enough, to match with my MacBook Air that I've just done. Go and watch that video. Yes, I'm that guy. I'm going to have matching devices. So black camo, I thought it looked quite cool. It is from dbrand. They're only about $15, $16. I should check before we finish the video, really. And all I've gone for, if I can get it out, is the back piece and the camera. I didn't want, you can get top and bottom of the front. I don't really want that, to be honest. I don't see the need. So I've gone with just the back, including the camera. Now you could argue that's not going to make a huge bit of difference really around the camera with it being black already. They advise this is the best bit to put on first. I think that's quite well done. So now just to put the main big back piece on. This is not an instructional video. I've cranked it up to 4 times speed. If you want to see properly how to do them, you probably should go and watch the dbrand videos. I think they have them for each device that they do. The one thing that I've kind of realised is I should just stick to just the back plates. Some devices, not the Note 9, but some of them you can get kind of along the edges and around the corners and along the top and bottom, and they generally just don't look good. I can't get them to look good. You always get a bit of a fold or a crease or a gap or they just don't look as good. My Pixel 2 XL definitely looked better when it just had the back piece on it. So again, the old hair dryer out to make sure we get the edges stuck down. And they do say to give them a good rub, give it a buffing, sort of 10 or 15 times on each side. You'll remove any of the kind of roughness from the edge, and that's it. Done. There we go. Do you notice how it's got kind of the texture to the back? So it's sort of the colours change as you change the angle. I think it looks amazing. I honestly think this is my favourite skin that I've ever had, and I've had quite a few skins now. And there we go with my matching MacBook Air. I did double check the pricings on the dbrand website. The main back piece, this is all in the black camo. The main back piece is $11.95. The camera was 95 cents, and the top and bottoms are $2.95. Now, annoyingly, that brings it to $18.80, and you need to spend $20 to get free shipping. I think it's $5 otherwise. So, either you might want to just, I don't know, you might want to buy a couple, you might want to double up with somebody to get the free shipping. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But for now, my name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things or request me to review things or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.